Good day to all of you. I am Teacher Ernie. So today, we will be discussing solving problems involving quadratic equations. The given problem, example number 1 is a rectangular floor measure 5 meters longer than its width and its area is equal to 84 square meter. Have a good day. I am your teacher in grade 9 mathematics, Teacher Ernie Alivio. So today I will discuss to you solving problems involving quadratic equation. This problem is an example of a problem involving quadratic equation. Let me show you. Okay, the length of a rectangular floor is 5 meters longer than its width. So the area of the floor is 84 square meters. Take a look at this. In this problem, maybe you're going to ask me what are the given. So the given are the area, also the width, but finding the length is conditional. Why? Because the length of a rectangular floor is 5 meters longer than its width. So example class, we have the rectangular floor. Okay, this one. Yan ang rectangular floor. We have the length and also the width. Okay, from the given, the area of the floor is 84 square meters. That means, the kabuuang area is 84. Yan. And then after that, we're going to find the length and the width or the dimension. So, in this problem, dapat alam nyo kung paano ang magsali na expression. Through mathematical sentence, change to mathematical equation or expressions. Symbol. Pag hindi nyo yun alam, mahirapan kayo. So for this, given the area, dapat alam natin how to find the area of the rectangle. So the area of the rectangle is A is equal to L multiplied by W. Okay, so our area is 84. Huwag nyo na isulat yung square meter. So right here, 84. And our length is times width. So we're going to write a quantity. For the width, write the width because width is given. And then the length is 5 meters longer than its width. So lalabas sa equation na W plus 5. Bakit? Kasi ang length lagi siyang mataas ng 5 sa width. So that is the given formula. Now we are there in translating this mathematical sentence to equation. Meron na tayong quadratic equation dito class. So to make it in standard form, we're going to simplify by multiplying W for this one. So rewrite 84 is equal to W times W. We have W squared. And then multiplying W by 5, we have 5W. Now we're there. So this time, we're going to transpose 84 to the right to make it perfect square trinomial. So we have 0 is equal to W squared plus 5W minus 84. Nag-negative ang 84 kasi nilipat natin sa other side. Okay, dito lang class, nakita nyo na pwede natin siyang gawing standard form. Bakit yung 0 nasa left, wala sa right? Okay, pwede naman natin interchange yan dahil ang equation pwedeng magpalit. So let's do it by writing. Example, we have W squared plus 5W minus 84 is equal to 0. And like that. So how are we going to find W? So to find W, we're going to use factoring methods or we're going to use the sum and product. So, doon na tayo sa factoring method na tinuro sa inyo ng teacher nyo. Okay, po factor natin yung W. Okay, yung negative 84, ano yung dalawang integers na pag pinag-times nyo, the product is negative 84 and the sum is positive 5. Okay, di ba ang sagot dyan is 12 and negative 7. Bakit? 12 times negative 7 is negative 84 and 12 plus negative 7 is positive 5. Yan ay factor na natin, hindi ba? Okay, getting this width, So we're going to use W plus 12 is equal to 0. And also W minus 7 is equal to 0. Yung factor, inequate natin sa 0. Then after that, W is equal to negative 12. Okay, ito naman, W is equal to, lipat sa kanan, magiging positive 7. So ito na ngayon yung, kunin nyo yung positive 7. Kasi ang magiging measure ng width natin. Kung ang width natin ay 7, sabi dito, the length of a rectangular floor is 5 meter longer than its width. Dadagdagan nyo ito ng 5 meter. What is 7 plus 5? Okay, it is 12. Now, nakuha na natin ngayon ang dimension ng isang rectangle. Pero dito, hindi naman pinakukuha yung length at width. Pinakita ko lang sa problem na ito, class. So, kailangan sanay tayo mag-translate ng statement to equation. Alam natin pagkuha ng area, dito lang makakabuo na tayo ng standard form or ng quadratic equation. That's our lesson for today. Sana may natutunan kayo kay Teacher Ernie. Let's continue our discussion. Proceed to our second example. Example number 2. A rectangular table has an area of 27 square feet and a perimeter of 24 feet. What are the dimensions of the table? Okay, actually, in this example, the given polygon is a rectangle because it's a rectangular table. So, magdodraw muna tayo ng rectangle. Yan. Okay. So, sa rectangle, laging tandaan, lagi siyang may length at may width. Yan. Length and width. Okay. Ang opposite side na yan, pareho siya. So, length, and width. Let's make it small letter L na lang. Yan, small letter L. So, that's it. To find the area of the rectangle, we have area is equal to length times W or L times W. For our perimeter, the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to P is equal to 2L plus 2W. Because there are two lengths and the two width na pag inad natin lahat yan, makukuha natin yung sum ng sides ng rectangle. And when we find the sum of the lengths or the sides of the rectangle, therefore, we're getting the perimeter. Okay, so nakuha natin ng formula. Dapat alam natin yan. Now, dito sa perimeter, sabi dito, a perimeter is 24 feet. So, make it 24. So, we have 2L plus 2W. Okay? So, from this, makukuha natin yung length and width. Tignan nyo mabuti, divisible sila lahat sa 2. Kasi kailangan lumabas yung length and width natin eh. Meron siyang coefficient na 2. So, the only thing to do is to divide both sides of equation by 2. So, divide it by 2, and this will be 12. Is equal to 2L divided by 2 is L, and 2W divided by 2 is W. So, now we have the simplified form of this equation. We have 12 is equal to L plus W. Okay, ngayon ito, L and W naman, the product is A. So, dun tayo sa lesson nating sum and product. So, for the sum will be 12 kasi pag inad natin length with 12. For the product, we have the area. So, product yan, is equal to, our area is equal to 27. So, 27 naman ang area. So, this will be 27. So, mag-iisip kayo ng dalawang digits na kapag tinimes natin, the product is 27 and the sum is 12. Do you have any idea? Okay, those two integers or numbers are the dimensions of the rectangular table. So, dito, ang lalabas ay, so we have 2, we have 3, and 9. That's the correct answer. Why? Because 3 times 9, the product is 27, and 3 plus 9, the sum is 12. Okay, so yung maliit, ang ating magiging width, which is, width is equal to 3, and our length is equal to 9. Okay, 9 what? 9 feet. Okay, that's it. So, ang sagot natin dito, ang dimension natin ay 3 and 9. The width is 9 and the length, the width is 3 and the length is 9. So, ito yung dimension. So, I hope you understand our lesson for today. So, thank you for listening, for watching. So, ito yung lesson natin. Sana naintindihan mo mabuti and have a nice day.